In this next tutorial, we'll show you how to add holiday lighting to your project. Let's go ahead and get started by going up to our toolbar, and we'll select the light string tool. What we want to do is to place a string of lights along this first cable. So let's go ahead and click here with a left click, and then drag our mouse up to the peak and click there. Okay, that's our first light string. Now let's go ahead and add another. We'll click on the peak, and then go down and to the right, and we'll click here. Okay, now if we want to see what this is going to look like at night, we can toggle our lighting view by clicking on the icon here on the toolbar, and that should turn the brightness of the background down so that it appears to be just about dusk. Okay, if we want to change the color of these light bulbs, we can do that by selecting the string and then coming over to our workspace and selecting the lighting tab. Okay, we can move these sliders to adjust the color of the light. Okay, if I move it all the way over, the light is pure white, and I can turn the red, the green, or the blue up or down as needed. Okay, so let's go ahead and select a white string on that one. And we'll select the first string there, and we'll move the blue up so that it becomes completely white, like so. Okay, next let's go ahead and add an icicle string here. So we'll select our light icicle string tool, and we'll come over to the second cable, and we'll click on the first point and click up to the peak. We'll select the tool again, we'll click on the peak, and then down and to the right. There we go. Alright, next let's add a linkable light string to our project. And we do that by selecting the Draw Holiday Linkable. And here we get a dialog box that asks us to dimension our projects. Let's go ahead and click Yes here. And what we want to do to dimension the project is to select a known distance on our project. And it's a good rule of thumb to use the front door of the home to scale this with. So let's go ahead and click on the left side of the doorway there. Let's move over to the right side and click there. Now we get a box here that asks us how long that string is, or how long that length is. So let's go ahead and press 36 inches, and we'll click OK. Okay, we immediately get a listing of all of the linkables that we have in our library. These are Bright Ideas Decorating Holiday Lighting linkables. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the LED candy cane. We'll click OK. Okay, let's go ahead and click on the third gable here, and we'll click here and move our mouse up and click on the peak there. Okay, I can go through the linkables again, but I'll have to go ahead and reselect the candy cane from that. So what I can do is I can save a step by clicking on Draw Last Object here. And then I can move my cursor down to that peak, and then we'll move down to the right like so. Okay, there we go. Now if I want to add display lighting to my project, I can do that by coming down to the Lighting tab here in the Content Explorer, and then we'll click on Lighting and change to Display Lighting. Okay, and this will show me all the Bright Ideas displays that I have in my library. Okay, let's go ahead and select the Christmas tree with berries, and we'll drag it up to our project. If I need to scale that up just a little bit or down, I can do that as needed. Okay, move it into position. Alright, now let's go ahead and select another. I'll move down to our wreath here, and I'll use the multicolored wreath, and we'll place it on our project like so. And I'll scale it down just a little bit.